Alright, so today I'm going to do a picture of a river ravine as it cuts its way through a canyon here. So it's kind of like a small, small rock side converting into a canyon. Alright, we'll see you inside. Alright, we're going to the art store. Some people going crazy there. Cops are parked out here. Maybe they're doing metering stuff. I don't know why else they'd be here, but usually they have those really small little meter cars that are really cute. Maybe I'll take a picture of those guys taking off. That would be really fun. Anyway, I'm going to get some more canvases here. They're going to move up in size 11 by 14, so I kind of broaden my base as far as what I'm selling on eBay. Then after a while, I'll get back to my more abstract and fun styles. This is just kind of to fill in, have a full repertoire of realism to abstract. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks. All right, just got out. We got these big ones. We'll see how that goes. I've worked with larger sizes, but not really the 11 by 14 yet, so we'll see if I can do realism at this scale, and it looks pretty good. I did have interest on my one larger one that I did at 20 by 24, so that was pretty cool. But the guy wanted like shipping discounts, and I was like, dude, it's already $15. How cheap can you give a painting for? It's like people are so like nickel and dime you on that shipping. Is like, dude, come on. Like, that painting should really sell for about $60. So the fact that I'm selling 15, like, okay. But some people kind of catch on to that. That the mailing should be a little cheaper. So, but they're not taking into account the packaging. So you always got to build in for the packaging. Otherwise, you gotta buy super cheap packaging, build it yourself, and there's nowhere gain to do it yourself. It's just a waste of your time. So might as well just buy a pre-done box. It's a good price. Call it a day, just bill it into the customers. All right, I'll see you back at the art store, or back at the gallery. All right, today I'm gonna find out if I can glue this back to my car with epoxide, Loctite. We'll see. We already glued it before and it was junk, so might just have to go to the dealer. This is the junky stuff I bought from this mechanic. All right, that's on camera. Anyway, I'm gonna have to stick this onto this, so we'll see how it goes. It's like next to impossible to get up. I'm gonna let it set all day and then we'll see if it pops off again. Alright, we got the canvas and we're off to the gallery. As you see, there's another train going by, very typical in this neighborhood. All right, about ready to start. Let's do the colors. So we got titanium white, raw sienna, yellow ochre, quin blue, carbon black, pearly red, quin red, Van Dyke brown, primer yellow, phthalo blue, phthalo green, turquoise phthalo. All right, we just finished the painting, so let me zoom in here manually with the iPhone. So I got this trees with the light coming through. The water was really tricky. At first I was kind of doing a zigzag back and forth, which is kind of how you do an ocean or river that's moving quite quickly. But if it's kind of still water like this is, it's going to actually be up and down with kind of a bigger brush, which I figured out after I was halfway done with it. So ideally you probably paint the river first and then go to the hilltop, obviously blocking the major colors, but definitely do the river first because it makes it way more challenging at the end to kind of add the highlights and all that. Not sure I got the white highlight correct on the river, but more or less it's 90% there. Yeah, I'm happy. Probably do abstract tomorrow though. Need a break from all this realism. Anyway, if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe below. Hopefully you share this with your friends, and hopefully I see you in next videos. Thanks.